trail ride for the green 97, and to honor that, we're in the black 95. I've got my grandson with me, who was actually on one of the very first videos I did on this is a bumpy trail. I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a little gator right there. See how it stays.
That was road number 5. All gathered in one spot. I feel it sticking, and they were just like going crazy.
Wave.
Oops, sorry.
Three Lakes is a wildlife management area. They do have camping areas during hunting season, like this one right here, where you can camp. In addition to that, they also have restrooms in different areas. One of the most important things that they told us at the gate was make sure that you stay on all named and numbered roads. So you may see little trails off on the side, but stay on it. Only roads that have names or numbers.
Well, this is the first off-road trip for the green Jeep, the Frog. It's transitioning little by little, but I have the pleasure of having my grandkids with me. And in front of us is our YJ with my other grandson, Aiden, and Matthew.
Out at Three Lakes, if boating is your thing, there is a boat ramp. Certain times of the year it's a little drier. Sometimes you can walk out on these peninsulas, but there are plenty of things to catch here. These are like tilapia beds, fish beds down in here, but the water level's so low now where they once had their nests are just like little weird craters. There's a hawk, an osprey, a lot of different birds out there. Right now the water level's low, but that was a little bit of an aerial view of Lake Jackson. There is the boat ramp if you want to go out in a canoe or do a little fishing right here. After the boat ramp area, there's a long straight road, and about midway down the road is a big pine tree. And in that pine tree is an eagle's nest. And on rare occasions, you can see the eagles in the nest. So that's the eagle's nest. Sugar sand back here. I'm in two-wheel drive though. The better thing about four-wheel drive is that your tires don't spin so much. This is what feral hogs have done out here. They have pretty much destroyed a lot of the low line vegetation. They just come in and they're like bulldozers, just ripping everything up. So how long have you been coming out with three legs?
A couple of years. Well, no.
How many different Jeeps have you been out here with?
3. Actually, no, a couple more.
And what have you seen so far today?
We've seen a hawk, baby alligator. We've seen, what are those things called?
Osprey.
Osprey.
Water
We've seen
beetles.
water beetles. A whole flock of them. What else have we seen? Seen lots of little fish in a puddle. Some tadpoles, some turkey.
Wow.
All sorts of things.
Most of Three Legs is pretty well maintained roads. Doable, and even a stock vehicle and even some cars can come out. Some of the roads that are out here that don't have sugar sand may have water during rainy season, but overall almost all the roads, if you're into birding, you can come out here and visit different areas. Right now we're making our way to the gate that's the dividing line between the southern portion and the central portion. As we make our way there, the gate is closed during hunting season, and this is the last weekend of turkey season. So this is the gate between road 16 and road 10. Road 10 eventually will take you all the way down to Highway 60. So it's a really neat road if you're gonna ride from Old Canoe Creek Road down to 60. But this gate is closed most of the year during hunting season, but it's supposed to be opening up on April 24th this year. So we'll come back out and we'll do a run on the southern portion, maybe even a night ride. Well, how's it doing so far?
So far, so good.
You missing air conditioning? Wouldn't it be nice? No?
No, I like the opening.
And now for an episode of What Kind of Scat Is That with Matt. Let's take a look at the poo I found on the ground. See those little brown turds? They're pretty small. But you know what those are? They came out of the back of this. Ew, he was pooping. So once you get out to the observation tower parking area, which normally has a gate right there, you probably got a quarter mile or so walk down to the end of this road here, past the tree line quite a bit, and then there's an observation tower back there.
Yeah,
You have a drone?
he did.
That's what we were hearing.
Yeah, that's what you heard before.
Waders and waterfowl, at least 13 species of waterfowl, including T. American coots and mottled ring-necked and wood ducks, along with a host of wading birds, may be spotted in the open waters, marshy edges of Lake Jackson.
I saw the buzzards, I didn't see the eagles.
Walk down and run him on walk back.
Bet I can run faster than you back.
What did you guys? I see a gator.
Being able to enjoy nature, teaching kids about
Flower.
it. It's definitely dry. Normally that would have water in it.
Where's Grandma? Come on, Randy. We ain't got no roof. We're in the sun.
We're baking.
We're baking in the sun. Thanks, Curtis, for taking the top off. Yeah, I know, it's part of a Jeep life. But that thing up there, that's hot. And it's baking us. And it's only April. Well, that is Three Lakes Wildlife Management Area, Central area, also Prairie Lakes. It is a wildlife management area. It does require a permit. You can get those online. Look at the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm Matt. Nice to see the Jeep out on the trail. Does have some funny things that I've been hearing, including the possibility of a front drive shaft making funny noises. But that's all Project Jeep. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below.